In this video, we'll look at the IDB workflow. On the model screen, begin by clicking the IDB button on the far right. In the menu window, select your bracket prescription from the drop-down list. You can specify which arch you would like to add brackets to. If you want both arches, select Add to All. You can also individually change or remove brackets at this point. By clicking on any of the brackets, a new window will pop up to allow you to remove or select a different part number. Step 2 will allow you to view the pre- and post-treatment in a few different ways. Click on the radio dial to view the model in a split-screen mode. Turning on the arch wire will let you visualize the path of the wire between the slots. And the bracket positions table will allow you to see the heights of the brackets in the table below. The model on the left side of the screen allows for bracket movement. The model on the right displays and lets you change the final tooth movement. When a bracket is selected on the left, there is a padlock icon on the right that will allow you to lock or unlock the tooth from moving when you are repositioning the left bracket. When the icon is locked, you will notice that changing the position of the bracket on the left screen will not affect the tooth movement on the right. Clicking to unlock it will simulate the expected tooth movement. For example, if you move the bracket up on the tooth on the right will move down or extrude, or vice versa. Please note that the tooth will highlight in blue when the padlock is in the locked position. You are also able to turn on the arch wire plane to adjust the height and cant of all the brackets on the teeth. The models in both windows will move together simultaneously if the small linking icon at the top of the screen between the two windows is highlighted. Unlocking it will only adjust the orientation of the side you are attempting to move. If you see any red brackets while you are working, that means there are collisions with the bracket and the opposing arch. Try to move the brackets to avoid the interference if possible. If you are unable to move it to an acceptable position, bite turbos may be required to avoid collisions. Once you have the brackets placed in the desired positions, click on Step 3 to design the trays. You are able to customize the tray thickness or leave it defaulted to the medium setting. You will notice some squares on the screen. Clicking on any of these squares will segment the tray at that location. If you prefer to bind half of an arch at a time, you can click between the centrals, and you will notice that the model is now divided into two colors. You are able to create as many segments or trays as you would like. Step 4. Generate the trays. Clicking on this step will automatically begin the tray generation process. So please make sure you are ready before clicking on this step. Depending on your computer speed, this may take several minutes to complete. Please leave the case open while the trays are being generated. Once finished, the trays will display on the screen. You can choose to show the trays with the teeth or the brackets using the buttons on the right. The trays are now saved. Click on Go to Output folder, and the software will open up the folder destination with the new trays. You can find them in the L tray and U tray folders. They are now ready to be sent to your printer. Once you have printed them with the appropriate resins, the final step is to load the brackets and bond them to the teeth.